Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll need iOS 16 or newer, an Apple ID, and biometric unlocking set. First, open the site or app where you want a passkey. When prompted to create a password, choose the option to use a passkey. This appears as Use Passkey or Create with Passkey. Tap it. You're creating a cryptographic key pair tied to your device. This avoids passwords. Once done, the iPhone will ask to confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. Accept to store the key securely. After you approve creation with Face ID or Touch ID, the iPhone writes a private key to the secure enclave and a public key to the service. You should then see the new passkey listed in Settings. Under Passwords, look for the account and the label Passkey. Make sure iCloud Keychain is turned on if you want that passkey available on your other Apple devices. If you enable Keychain, the system securely syncs the encrypted key pair. This is why syncing matters. To finish, sign out and sign back in using the new passkey so you verify it works. You'll confirm again with Face ID or Touch ID. If you don't see the passkey, make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled and that the same Apple ID is on your devices. If problems persist, remove the passkey in Settings Passwords and recreate it, or contact the service. Sometimes server-side settings block passkey registration. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle iCloud Keychain off and back on to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.